Hi, air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. These are Gemini, your tarot readers or air sign. Alamin natin kung anong iyong love reading. Salamat sa panunood at pagsuporta sa ating channel. Just a reminder, air sign, this may or may not resonate with you, so don't take it personally. This is just a guide na pwede mo makonsider kung sakaling na-encounter mo ang ganitong sitwasyon. Air sign, give me your love energy. Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, give me your love energy. Air sign, give me your energy. Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, give me your energy. Air sign, give me your main energy sa iyong love reading. Okay. You have two energy, ascending, transcending, obstacle, learning, expansion, new phase, preparing for union. And the truth and rose, clarity, truth, revelation, solidarity, force, honor, and protection. So tingin ko may gustong mag-ascend or i-reveal yung nararamdaman. Let us see kung anong connection ng ascending and the sword and rose for you. Air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, give me your energy. Air sign, give me your energy for your love reading. Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, give me your energy. You have 8 of Cups. King of Swords. The Moon, okay. You have a Cups with a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You have an air sign, Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and strong Pisces. The Moon. Merong tinatago sa'yo. May hidden message, hidden secret. Or yung nararamdaman niya, tinatago niya sa'yo. That's why your main energy is ascending, transcending. Diba? Parang unti-unting i-reveal. Nafe-feel ko na merong magre-reveal. You have the revelation, swords and rose, truth and clarity. Parang unti-unti magre-resurface yung nararamdaman ng person na ito towards you. Tingin ko, air sign, this is your energy. 8 of Cups. You're moving on from this negative energy from the past and you're now moving forward to your hope, to your future, to positive energy. Ngayon, this person realizes kung gaano kakalaga sa kanya. Ngayon niya na-realize na this is the right time for me to tell the truth, to reveal my true feelings for air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So tingin ko, yung moment na you're moving on, doon niya na-realize kung gaano ka ka-importante sa kanya. Kasi ang tagal niya itong tinago sa'yo. Ang tagal niyang pinilit mag-contain yung sarili niya na hindi masabi nararamdaman niya, pero hindi niya na makayanan. Ascending and revelation. Tignan natin. King of Pentacles. You have an earth sign. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Judgment. And 9 of Cups, a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Alam mo, parang, nung simula na nag-move on ka, air sign, unti-unting, lumalim yung nararamdaman ng person na ito. King of Pentacles and King of Swords. Dati, admiration lang, paghanga, or crush ka lang ng person na ito. Parang, paunti-unti, na-realize niya na, mahal ka na niya. Siguro kahit sa sarili niya, hindi niya yun maamin sa sarili niya. Ang feeling niya, crush ka lang niya, ina-admire ka lang niya. Pero, the truth reveals, di ba? Yung katotohanan ng tunay niyang nararamdaman, unti-unti, nangingibabaw yung feelings niya towards you. Yung shallow emotion or yung pagmamahal niya na tagal niyang tinago, yung feelings niya para sa'yo unti-unting niyang i-reveal. The judgment. This person will make a move. Will take this chance na sabihin yung nararamdaman niya, will ascend from deep secret emotion or feelings. You know why? Because air sign, 9 of Cups, ikaw yung happiness niya. When you are around, pag nandyan ka sa buhay niya, sa paligid niya, masaya siya. Pero nung nawala ka, maaring nag-reversed ang nararamdaman niya. Ito yung naging dahilan kung bakit gusto niya nang i-resurface or aminin, i-reveal yung nararamdaman niya, preparing for union with you. Your person will take this chance na sabihin yung nararamdaman niya sa'yo and hoping na mutual ang feelings niyo sa isa't isa. Merong aamin ng nararamdaman niya na matagal niya nang tinatago sa'yo. Iba yung feelings niya towards you. Air sign. Tignan natin, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. You have 2 of Pentacles. You have 4 of Swords. And the Lovers. I see. You have an Earth sign with Pentacles. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. You have a Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius with air sign, Swords, and a strong Gemini in your energy. Maybe this is your energy. This is your person's energy. Pero nakikita ko na tapos na yung pamimili ng person na ito na aaminin ko ba o hindi, sasabihin ko ba or hindi. Is this the right time for me to reveal? Nagkaroon siya ng contemplation. Kung ano yung nararamdaman niya para sa'yo. Sigurado na ba to? Ito na ba yon? Pagmamahal ba to or crush lang? Paghanga lang? Alam mo yung parang nagnilay-nilay yung person na ito and then this person hits the Lovers. This person realizes na some kind of destiny ang connection nyo sa isa't isa. Kaya sasabihin niya yung nararamdaman niya sa'yo kasi hindi niya makontain. Aamin siya, i-reveal niya ang feelings niya para sa'yo. Kung kayo ay meant for each other, mutual ang feelings niyo sa isa't isa, then I'm happy for you. Kasi unti-unti nang nasasagot ang kahilingan nyo. Unti-unti nang nagre-resurface, nare-reveal yung dapat na matagal nang na-reveal sa'yo, air sign. Kasi siguro, you're also waiting for this person to come out. Pero ang tagal nung time, nung panahon na inantay niya na ma-realize sa sarili niya kung gaano kahalaga. Siguro may dahilan kung bakit ka nag-move on with that energy para ma-realize ng taong ito yung importansya mo, yung kahalagahan mo. And then, tingnan mo, nakita mo sa energy nyo, nag-work out yung moving on mo. Ngayon, siya naman yung dadating sa buhay mo. Tignan natin ang masasabi ng angel guide for your energy, air sign. Helpful people. Your person will seek some advice sa mga taong pinagkakatiwalaan niya. Ask your angels. Maaring nagdadasal siya. Kung ano yung gagawin niya kung anong plano niya sa pag-amin niya sa'yo. And don't stop. Diba? The angel guide says na parang go on, push through. Tuloy mo, gawin mo. Kasi yun ang meant na gawin mo. Yun ang sinasabi niya sa person mo. Huwag kang panghinaan ng loob. This is the right time for you to reveal your true feelings with air sign. Tignan natin ang oracle guide for your energy. Air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. You and your loved ones are safe. By your feelings with this person, maybe this is a kind of mutual relationship. It's time to release negative energy, negativity in your life. Diba? You're moving on from negative energy. And a win-win outcomes forecast. Tingin ko, mutual ang feelings nyo sa isa't isa. Air sign, this person, may feelings ka rin sa kanya. So tingin ko, magkakaroon ng aminan. I-reveal niya yung nararamdaman niya para sa'yo at sasabihin mo rin yung tunay mong nararamdaman para sa kanya. There will be a win-win outcome para sa inyong dalawa. So thank you, Air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you, Air sign.